You're gonna love the 2023 Hyundai Santa Fe. Here's a stylish, family-friendly Hyundai Santa Fe. With bold, modern looks, standard infotainment, and the latest safety features, this spacious, versatile midsize crossover infuses every drive with comfort and confidence. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: 4-cylinder engine, backup camera, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, keyless start, fog lamps, electronic stability control, Bluetooth connection, blind spot monitor, alarm. Make getting from point A to point B a thing of beauty in this refined and capable Santa Fe. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.